Hi, I'm Kev from uk.Cane. Don't forget, smash the like button, give us a comment down below. With me as usual, the Chris.
The Kev. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to care, don't forget to share. As always, please ring the notification bell and don't forget to free the fear. In this video, we are going to revisit fighting from the knees. What we've got, we're going to do 2 strikes, nice and slow, and in the last video what I did was drop to the ground, ended up on the floor, and then got back up. Going to change it slightly. 2 strikes. There we go. Now, Callum is going to go down to the floor. Straight away you can see the problems you're going to have. As I get up, I'm now going to add something else. You can do this whether you're going up or if you're getting down to the ground. I'm going to start moving laterally. So I'm doing this. Callum's going to do the same. So why would we do this? Well, if I'm fighting people who are taller, shorter, if I'm sitting, lying, going up and down stairs, or
Man, I feel older and my hair's really short.
good for you.
Okay, so Chris said, one's the height's different. So we're doing the basically there's 2 strikes. Okay, that makes one sort of variant. But what happens if he's the one in the chair? Now we're on an even kill. But now he's going to get a little glimpse of what I go through.
In an altercation, you never know where it's going to be. People will attack you when you're the most vulnerable. So it might be you're sitting down, you might be falling over. So you need to practice different heights, different locations, different aggressors. Attacking Callum is different from attacking Kev. There is a height difference. So don't get stale with one training partner, which is a mistake I made when I was fighting, full contact fighting, and I used a different opponent and it completely changed it. I wasn't used to it. So change everything, mix it up. Change your hand, practice left-handed as well.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget, smash the like button, drop us a comment.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, so hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget to care and share. And as always, free to fear.